In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your files to OneDrive in Microsoft 365 for Business 5 minutes. First, sign in to your Microsoft 365 account using your work credentials. If you have multiple Microsoft accounts, make sure you're signed in with your business account to see your organization's OneDrive. A modern browser like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome works best, and if your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that as usual. Once you're in, look for the Apps area on the Microsoft 365 homepage. Click Apps to see the full list of services available to you. From there, select OneDrive. This opens your business OneDrive on the web, which is your personal work storage space in the cloud. Before uploading, it's a good idea to decide where your files should live. If you already have a folder structure in mind, navigate to that destination first so everything lands in the right place. Inside OneDrive, find the New and Upload options near the top. New is for creating things like folders and Office files. Upload is for bringing content from your computer into OneDrive. Click Upload and you'll see two choices: Files Upload or Folder Upload. Choose Files Upload if you're adding individual documents like Word files, PDFs, or images. Choose Folder Upload if you want to bring over an entire folder and keep its structure intact. If you don't see Folder Upload, switch to a modern browser, as some older or restricted browsers don't support uploading folders. After you choose the option you need, your computer's file picker opens. Browse to the location on your device where your content lives, select the files or the folder you want, and then click Open. This starts the upload. You'll usually see a progress indicator in the top right corner of OneDrive. Larger files and many small files may take longer, and upload speed depends on your internet connection. While the upload runs, keep the tab open and your device awake so it can finish successfully. When the upload completes, go to My Files in OneDrive to review what you've added. You should see the files or folder in the location you chose. If something didn't appear, refresh the page and check for any error messages in the upload pane. It's also helpful to use clear folder names and keep file paths short to avoid sync or path length issues later. That's it. You've signed in, opened OneDrive, used the New and Upload controls, selected Files Upload or Folder Upload, uploaded from your device, and confirmed everything under My Files. You're ready to work securely from anywhere and share with your team when needed.